So hello guys, my name is Ferdin. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a movie download website in WordPress free or premium web hosting. So on this video is a basic part of the theme. I will review the theme and how to use this theme. Everything I will explain on this video. On this theme we will get free auto embed and we can import any movie from DB Movies using API. So on this site you can see everything looks so beautiful. Every category, every movie is looking so good, and this is like a professional movie download site. So on there you can see a download link in my description. I will provide you this link and you need to download this theme and import to your website. After install or import you need to active this theme. If you active this theme, so wait for the next part. I will show you how to customize. Make sure you install the correct theme. The correct theme is Duplay. Now I'm gonna show you the theme. Look, this theme is look like this, Duplay 2.555 new, and it will be free and I will give it for everyone in my subscribers, so don't waste your time and grab it. You can see the DB movie is working. I'm gonna add this Frozen in my site for checking is DB movie working or not. I already added, and now I'm gonna go the search bar and searching Frozen. You can see Frozen is here. Now check it working or not, I mean it's playing or not. So just click there. You can see our server is loading. Okay, look, this is opening because I have low internet, I mean not good internet connection, so it will loading. You can create this type of website and monetize your website and earn a huge amount. In future I use some ads network